So, got tension. So guys, today's video is a little different than usual. I'm going to teach you how to fix lag during a stream, preferably on Twitch, but it might work for other things such as Mixer or even YouTube streaming. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is check your internet connection. You're going to want to be connected to the internet connection that is best for where you are. If you're really close to your router, then you're going to want to use like a 5G network. If you're not, then you're going to want to use your normal one because that can reach a farther distance for greater Wi-Fi. I don't really know what I'm saying, but I think you should be able to get the idea. So, I have my computer on. No viruses today, baby. So, if that's not working, what you're gonna want to do next is restart your computer, which I am doing right now. And if that doesn't work, you're gonna want to come with me. Alright. Also, sprained my ankle. That's epic. Alright. So what you're going to want to do now, go